Hello. Hello, hello. We're back, stream number 2. Got a little, we changed some stuff, moved some stuff around. Did some more tweaks. We're back. The event tonight is our Wildcard bracket. It is 16 cars that have their chance to make it into the main event coming up later in the week. These 16 cars went through our open qualifier, and while they were able to make decent results, they were not able to auto-qualify. They will be facing off for 3 spots, the final 3 seeds in the 32 seed main event. It's clean, and Twin Mill takes round 1. He's getting a couple more laps in. That was a clean first corner from both. And you saw that See You Later took a launch off the track. Twin Mill still moving on track. Thus the winner. Moving to round 2, Twin Mill will be in the front. Unfortunately, false start here, as See You Later does not make first corner. It's clean, and See You Later wins round 2. He wins it. He wins round 2. Let's check out a replay. Coming into the final round here. It's going to be See You Later back up front. Twin Mill in the back. Each with 1 win. This is the deciding race. Clean start. And it's See You Later with a very lucky ending. Look at the replay here. You can see that See You Later almost went off track, but Twin Mill was able to not make it. See You Later continuing movement. And with that, it is See You Later who takes this bout in a 2-1 victory. Ooh. Right at the edge there. And this is why I have to do the manual start with these guys. Too light. All right, he's got lap 1. He's got to have at least 1 lap. What? 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 Did he just flip off and back onto the track? Honestly, how? I gotta see this happen. All right, so there's his 4 lap. Doesn't quite make it around. Here it comes. He literally jumped off the track and bounced to the other side. This thing. Here it goes. Boom. Oh, wicked. Wicked. What was that? All right, anyway. Coming back to live action. Round 2 here. Turbo's still trying to make his first lap. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's still going. Wow. He's still going. He's backwards. Wicked. There was in the yellow corner. He flipped around in the yellow corner, landed back on the track. Backwards, kept running. The most unfortunate thing is this round did not count because Speed Spider didn't make it to the first corner. So we will be restarting. A very cool run from the Gold Eclipse. See you later, barely hangs on. Checking the replay on this one. I was holding the track over the cam. That wasn't very smart, but either way, See You Later almost blew it like 3 times. It's really funny that he actually managed to get all the way there. Gotta remember to pull the track away. That's my bad there. Clean start. Oh my... heartbreak. Let's check that replay. It's heartbreak for Speed Spider, who had been doing laps around the Sylvia. He gets smashed in the center corner. Oh, what a slam. And Sylvia stays on track. It's a race win and the match win for the Nissan Sylvia S15. Just an unfortunate circumstance there, but it's a good our first real intersection decision maker there. Sometimes you can get away with not being the best car on the track here. You can get a good slam in and then intersection, so the Sylvia will be moving on. It's clean, and it's going to go to Gills. And with that, Gills has clenched this race. They barely get the track away in time, but Crazy Eights will take the win there. I'm actually going to call this a false start. Crazy Eights had a very strange start where he didn't really go through the charger. And that more or less caused an issue with See You Later. So we're going to restart round 2 there. That's a false start, oddly enough. He basically only made it here because See You Later hit him. So that's a false start there. We're going to restart. Finally got a clean run, and See You Later is gone off the track. Consistency wins races. And it will be Crazy Eights moving on. contact in the first intersection, but man, it was awesome. Let's do a replay. Today's champion. It's Crazy Eights. Let's go. Oh, he fell. This means he will take the top seed. Well, he's still the 30th seed. He will take the 30th seed in our main bracket. Gil's here, as you can see on the side of his car where he gets his name. Be taking the 31st seed. Of course, our third place winner, the Nissan Silvia, will be taking the final 32nd seed in our main event. You can go to our link tree, linktr.ee/SCR live. And you can get a link to all of our brackets, including our upcoming double elimination, main event, which will be happening within the week.